what's inside this box. Let's discover it. Let's open it. Oh yeah. Are you ready?
Here we have our GoPro 11 and assembly card. So I'm going to do an unboxing of this today and we're gonna talk a bit about this. So first of all, I'm opening this. So at first glance we can see this is a special bundle, the GoPro Hero Black 11, and from this side you can see the accessories that are included in this bundle. We have the handler, head strap, quick clip and one more battery and all of the things, the basic things that comes with this camera. On the other side, some specs. We have a 27 megapixel camera, waterproof 10 meters, voice control 8 times slow motion, time warp 3.0, 1080p live streaming, super photo plus HDR plus raw photos, GP2 processor, can work as a webcam mode, and hypersmooth stabilization 5.0. So let's clean this place. We have here our GoPro 11 and let's open it. Comes with this beautiful box, as you can see. So in this box we have all the accessories that are coming with this package. We do not need this anymore and we're gonna open this now. This is the first time I'm opening this package, so I saved this to open with you guys, especially with you, and hope you are ready. Nice, really nice. We have here the device to update the camera before you use it. We have more papers here, some stickers in this side, some instructions, some tips for cool weather performance, and like some more tutorials and more stuff. In here we have our package. We have this thing, I don't know what is it, and the clipper, and this must be for the head, to stick in the head. We have this handheld, really pretty, and this is really soft. I think this can hold in the water without going under water. More, we have this adaptation for the GoPro. We have one like this. These are the two batteries. I'm gonna let them here. This side we have some screws for our camera, to use them like in here, as you can see in this image, and that's it. You have all the instructions here. Oh, so this one is to stick in your helmet if you want. I don't have a helmet, but maybe one day I get one. And we have also this one. We're gonna discover everything of this together. And the best thing for the handling, the GoPro 11. We have one more sticker. Some ASMR. Oh, didn't went really well. And we have here our beautiful camera, GoPro. And let's take this sticker. We need to update it before we use it, so let's take it off. Oh. One sticker down, two left. We have this one and this one. Beautiful. So we have some papers here. We need to take off these ones too. And this one. And about the camera, we have here the on button and these things to stick our camera with the other accessories, and here is where you can access the battery and put it inside. You have your Type-C. And that's it. We have one more button here. And it looks like this screen is a little sticky. We already have some fingerprints here, as you can see. Now we're gonna put everything here again, and we're gonna talk about each accessory we have here ahead. And we're gonna do a review about everything in here. Let's go. We have this handler. It's waterproof, and this handler will help your GoPro to float when you are swimming or inside the water. This layer here, it's like a sponge, and this will help your fingers to don't slip away when you're in the water. You also have this clip. This clip is really useful and very easy to use. You can stick this to your bag or in your t-shirt somewhere, and this is perfect to use while you are walking during your trips. It also comes with this head strap, and you just need to put it in your head like this, and then you can put your GoPro and you are ready to do some mining films. But enough of accessories. Let's talk about our GoPro. Comparing this GoPro 11 with the GoPro 10, this GoPro has a bigger sensor than the GoPro 10, and it gives it a wider view than before. So this means your angle of view this means the image you are capturing will be much bigger or a little bigger than before. Also, you can record with different views. You have the linear view, the wide view, super view, and the hyper view. You have here the Hyper Smooth 5.0, and it will help you to have more stable videos. And with this feature you can have much more quality videos, and because of that this camera won a Emmy from the National Academy of Television Arts and Science. Pretty amazing, no? You also have the horizontal lock, and this feature it's amazing to watch from outside while you are recording, because while I'm recording and you just think I'm standing, what I'm really doing is keep rotating this camera 360 degrees, and this capability is really wonderful to watch and really nice to have on a camera like this. This camera also got new night effects where you can use your creativity, the star trails where it uses the earth rotation to turn every twinkle into beautiful light strikes across the night sky. The light painting lets you paint with some lights, letting you set free your artistic modes.
And the vehicle lights use the lights from night traffic to show us a beautiful landscape painting. Also, this camera comes with the option for 10 bits, and this gives you a better quality for your videos. This is a new feature on the GoPro 11, and the only downside of this is because you will need a big memory card for your 10-bit quality videos, because they will be huge.
And here I have a sample with 10 bits on and another one with 10 bits off. As you can see in these pictures, it's not a huge difference on the quality.
For me, one of the best features of this GoPro is the cloud. First, if you buy the GoPro with that subscription, first, if you buy the GoPro with the subscription for the clouds, you get a big discount plus really nice benefits that comes with that subscription. So if you subscribe to the cloud, when you are charging your GoPro, it will automatically upload all your videos to the cloud. And also you can enable the option to erase all your videos that have been already updated. So this saves you some work and will get you free space for your next videos. After that, you can use the Quickapp from the GoPro
to access to the cloud from your phone or from your computer, to check all the footage and videos you did, and also edit your clips or even create some sort of edition to your videos and footage. Here you have some tools you can work and create your final video.
Finally, you get free replacements for your camera. If you damage your camera while you're doing your crazy videos, they will replace your GoPro for a new one with no questions. Pretty nice, no? That way you can record all the videos you want, be the craziest you want, and don't have to worry if you're gonna smash this tiny camera. After all the things I said, I know it's a lot, sorry, but I know you to know everything about this camera before you buying it. It's 10 meters water resistant, it can record 5.3K quality, you have 8 times slow motion to record that amazing tricks you do on your skates or surfboards, or just that amazing trip on the scary roller coaster.
Or why not film your girlfriend seated on the front of a beautiful fountain in the middle of a garden in Italy.
And you have a huge amount of accessories for this GoPro. And about that, stay tuned, I'm gonna show you something accessories for this camera for a really budget price with a lot of accessories. Finally, at this point, I don't have really nothing bad to say about this camera. I just used it during a trip to Italy for 10 days. Maybe the battery could be bigger, so I still have to use it for a longer time to give you a longer term review. But at this point, this camera looks really solid. Also, if you use your imagination, you have an infinite number of options. You just need to combine the settings of this camera with all the accessories for this, and you can do a lot of things. That's all for today, thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, press the like button, subscribe and activate the bell. See you next time.